Welcome back to CarCrafted, the channel where we explore the most incredible machines on wheels. Today, you're stepping inside something truly extraordinary, the 2026 ultra-luxury motorhome, a rolling mansion designed for people who want 5-star living wherever the road leads. From the moment you see it, this motorhome doesn't feel like an RV at all. It looks more like a futuristic luxury coach, with sleek aerodynamic lines, a full panoramic windshield, and custom LED lighting that gives it a high-end presence day or night. The paint alone can cost as much as a luxury car, with deep multi-layer finishes that shimmer under sunlight. But the real magic begins when the doors open. Step inside, and you're greeted by a living space that feels closer to a luxury penthouse than a vehicle. Soft ambient lighting runs along the ceiling, highlighting handcrafted wood finishes, marble surfaces, and premium leather seating. The floor is heated, the windows are smart tinted, and the entire cabin can be controlled with a single touchscreen panel. The living room features reclining theater seats facing a massive 8K smart display that rises from a hidden console. Surround sound speakers are built directly into the walls, creating a cinema-level audio experience. And thanks to advanced insulation, it remains whisper quiet inside even while cruising down the highway. Moving into the kitchen, you'll find full residential-grade appliances, a smart refrigerator, induction cooktop, convection oven, wine cooler, and even a built-in espresso system. The countertops are solid stone, and cabinets use soft close mechanisms with custom lighting inside. Now let's talk about the bedroom, because this is where luxury reaches another level. The king-size bed features a premium memory foam mattress with automatic firmness adjustment. There's a retractable TV, full wardrobe space, and large panoramic windows that can transform into privacy mode with one touch. The bathroom feels like a high-end spa. It includes a rainfall shower, heated towel racks, smart mirrors with built-in displays, and even an automatic climate-controlled floor system. Technology is everywhere. This motorhome includes satellite internet, AI-powered voice controls, a full security monitoring system, and advanced driver assistance features that make handling such a massive vehicle surprisingly easy. And outside, that's where the entertainment truly expands. With the push of a button, the side wall extends into a shaded patio area complete with an outdoor kitchen, retractable TV, and premium sound system. Underneath it all is a powerful hybrid drivetrain that delivers smoother performance, quieter operation, and improved fuel efficiency compared to traditional diesel motorhomes. So who is this ultimate motorhome for? It's designed for travelers who don't want to compromise, people who want to explore the world while bringing luxury with them. And honestly, it proves one thing: the future of travel isn't just about getting somewhere, it's about living exceptionally along the way. If you enjoyed this tour, make sure to like, subscribe, and stay tuned to CarCrafted for more incredible automotive experiences.